Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Today is Quick Tip Tuesday, and today I want to talk to you about remote switches. So, in your stores, you've got a lot of these remote switches for Christmas lights. Now, I would say at the end of the Christmas season, you want to purchase these. Obviously, right now, it's not Christmas season, but you can still find these things in stores. They're remote switches that you could use to turn on lights, but I use it in my shop to turn on my shop vac for my table saw, because all I've got to do is put it on this little hook to clip it to my pants, and with the click of a button I turn on my vacuum and then I turn it back off. Super simple. If you really pay close attention to some of my videos, I actually never really physically turn something on. I'm using it with this, and then when I saw, I've got my foot pedal switch, which is actually another tip in another previous video you can go back and check out. So go to your local hardware store, find these remote switches, and get one. I'm going to put a link in the description for this one so that you can go and purchase that one. They're super helpful, super handy, and I hope this tip helps you out today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.